Looking around inside some of the old houses, an old Bethpage restoration. Thank God I got a light for the GoPro.
Remember, they didn't have electricity.
I know. So a power outage wouldn't really affect these houses, Johanna.
Oh, this, you see this? Mike,
Yeah?
take a picture of that. That's the kind of desk I'd want. Only with the roll top.
Here, hold the camera for a second.
Get a picture of that hat.
Johanna, should I start the stove? Or the...
That's the only way they got warm.
Yeah, I know. Fireplace. No.
Ooh.
This is the kitchen.
No, look at this.
Yes.
That's nice. That's very nice.
Johanna, you want a cup of coffee? No, look at the coffee grinder. No, that's a coffee grinder. Yeah. Oh, this is a general store, Johanna.
Mm-hmm.
Look right above you.
Okay.
That's a coffee grinder. You see the coffee hopper?
Uh-huh. Don't have to.
I know, right? Back then, I don't think the credit card machines worked that good.
No.
No.
Well, look at this. Here's the grocery list it looks like. Fruits. Knives.